Just days before Nothing is set to announce its Phone 3, we are able to share with you some official renders of the upcoming device. And it has a rather interesting design language. It sort of follows the same design language of the Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro that were announced a few months ago. Nothing is continuing on with a very unique look on their smartphones. It will be available in black and white, though it might be called gray. Like with the Nothing Phone 3A Pro, the company is also using a somewhat odd camera setup on the Nothing Phone 3 this time around. The top camera is not even aligned with the other cameras at all. As per its usual fashion, Nothing has pre-announced a few specs of the new phone. That includes the fact that it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, which many people are taking offense to, since Nothing said it would be their first true flagship phone, yet it has a slower flagship chipset. Many were expecting a Snapdragon 8 Elite, but that is a pretty expensive chipset, so it's not surprising that they went with the cheaper Snapdragon 8S Gen 4. We also know that there will be a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens on board, which is going to be the top camera lens that's not aligned with the other two cameras. It is rumored to use triple 50-megapixel sensors, though only the 50-megapixel periscope has been confirmed by Nothing itself. Nothing plans to announce this phone on July 1st at 1800 British Standard Time. That's 1 p.m. Eastern and 10 a.m. Pacific for those of us in the US.